your job.
Thank you, Bullet Cleaning. You've done a great job.
Only took one break, whole day. Here from start to finish, no complaining.
And I'll pass it on to other people.
Hi there, just had Bull Cleaners clean my house, which I'm leaving. Very happy with the job they've done, very friendly people.
Did a very thorough job, beautifully cleaned, worked very hard.
Hi, yeah, we just had our house cleaned from Bull18. Yeah, it was pretty good and we're pretty happy with it.
Very good job.
I'm very happy with Bull18. I've just had Push and Cuddum come and clean my place and they've done an awesome job.
Yes, the service was amazing, very friendly staff.
I really needed it. Now I can get my bond back. I'm very happy and very grateful.
Just did the job very well, very happy, very satisfied.
It's our vacate clean and everything's all shiny and new again.
Good cleaners.